Alright, welcome to Going Down the Ramp series, episode 1. We have our friends. They are really... Hi! And
Hi.
Hey, yep. Do you remember these people from our swinging series?
See ya!
Yep! Lainey's going first.
How far go?
I don't know. She's gonna go on the ramp.
But I think right here it's kind of flimsy.
Yeah, but... What? I'm going down first, okay? Okay, can you... Also might be another funny video.
She sees a friend.
Okay, you hold the phone. I'm gonna go down the ramp.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Chicken jockey. This is me going down my ramp. All right, it's Dashie's turn.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's Dashie's turn.
Okay, well.
Don't forget to smash that like button because this is just
Press that like button. Press that like button.
Yeah.
Subscribe. And keep watching Cruzy's Corner.
Yep. Yeah. This is only the first episode of it though.
It is.
How do you do this? You just sit. No. Can you squeeze your leg to right here? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well.
Here goes Dash.
Uh-oh. He's gonna miss the ramp. Oh no. Okay. Alright. No. No. I'm not gonna hit him. Oh man.
I missed it.
It's Lainey's turn.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, Jesus, probably right.
Okay.
All right. Please smash it. Cruz. Don't be scared. It's funny.
It's funny and dangerous.
It's fun. It's just not. Why are you filming me?
Chris, do you think on part 2 we should reinforce the ramp and then we will go to outer space? Oh, maybe make the hill a little steeper even?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So in the next episode, we're gonna add a little ramp right there. So we go down even faster.
No, Chris, stop. I want to go down.
Okay.
Stop. Don't push me.
She's gonna be doing it.
She's gonna miss it! What is happening?
Lainey. All right. All right. All right. Now it's my turn. Going down backwards. All right.
And then they're gonna see all of us in the monkey bars.
No, but that's not. She's wrong. You'll find out. All right. Laying backwards.
Don't let him know my name. My name is Billy.
Well, now everybody does know what your name is. No.
Yeah.
You.
Okay. My name is Billy.
Her name is not Billy.
That's Cruz. That's Dash. And I'm Lainey.
You said Blaney.
I know that.
Your name was Billy.
It's Lainey now, guys. So.
Oh my God!
Chicken!
Why? Oh,
He missed it.
All right.
Cruz missed the jump. Oopsies. I just covered the camera up.
Now Dash is going down backwards.
I'm not going down backwards.
All right, he's just gonna try and get the ramp again. Whew.
Guys, next video, bars. Say yes!
Yes! Okay, I guess we're gonna be doing the surprise. Oh. No.
My name is Lady, and I'm gonna be doing these monkey bars.
I'm gonna be doing pull-ups. I don't think I'm gonna do this. Alright, she's almost there. This is not a surprising video.
Bye!
Alright, Dash, you hold the camera. I'm gonna try and do pull-ups.
Let's see him.
Alright, just let me get stable here.
Don't let them see your stomach.
They've probably seen it before.
Okay, let's see if I can do a pull-up.
Okay, yeah.
Cruz, you have dirt on your... right here.
What?
Other side. Let's see if
Lady!
you can do a pull-up. Get it!
Let's see if I can do a pull-up.
Right up. I can't even do it. All right, let me try the back pull-ups again. No.
Okay, I'm gonna be trying to do a pull-up.
No, wait. Let me try Dash's strategy.
Ready? Ready, people? Hey!
I thought it was just gonna be about eating that car down that ramp.
Cruz, that's not even a pull-up.
How do you do that?
You pull yourself up.
That's called a pull-up.
Maybe I just need
Ready?
to get better at it.
3, 2, 1. Yay! Monkey bar.
Okay, guys, I think I'm the winner of the monkey bars. How about you? You think I'm the winner?
Anyway, let's get back to town.
Yay!
No. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna go on the ramp, standing up. All right. Second jockey.
I might actually hit it!
Oh. Well, come on. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Subscribe. Let's get this video to 100 likes for part 2.